Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey, I hope you are well. So today guys, I am going to be showing you 3 easy Halloween looks. We are going to be diving into the kitty kingdom. Guys, don't mind my nails, like you para. Anyways, we're going to be diving into the kitty kingdom. I'm talking about a classic cat, leopard, and hopefully a lion. We're going to be trying to do Uska. Okay, so asazi, but let me stop and let's get into the video. So hopefully by now we all know Oguti, in order to have a very nice looking makeup, you need to make sure it's on your base, your primer. Base is very important, otherwise you're going to be in the trenches. So I'm going to be using this Carmel London matte primer. I have not really used it before. I bought it recently and I just needed something different because le eyami iphelile. So after that's done, we are going to be using our spoolie and our black opal from Small Streets. From Small Streets. Then Small Streets sells one about 50. So I'm just going to be doing my eyebrows. And then because I want the eyebrow to look a bit natural when it comes to the front part, I'm going to be using the brown black opal eyebrow pencil and just stroking. Okay, so we're going to be using the spoolie again. It's almost like blending, making sure it gives off that natural look. Okay, now we're going to be moving to cleaning the eyebrows. We're going to be using this concealer from Maybelline Fit Me. It's shade 55. We're just going to be cleaning at the bottom and at the top. Very simple, easy things. Quick, fast.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Went gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do.
And then we have to blend using a damp blending sponge. Guys, at the moment it's dry, you're not really going to be able to blend the products, okay? Okay, they don't have to look alike. They are sisters, remember, they're not twins. Then you can just go to the eyeshadow without like having e-base, because e-base helps the eyeshadow pop out and it helps you blend the eyeshadow better. So I'm going to be using my black opal guys. I'm going to be using my black opal Carbo shade as my eyeshadow base. I've never tried this before, so I want to see how it actually holds up with the eyeshadow. So let's get into it. Making sure I apply all over the eye space. And then I move on with a sponge, just blend the eye space. I'm going to set the eye space using this black opal powder. Let me just make sure that everything is still blended nicely. I'm going to use this brush. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow that I got from the Fix Throw in Shade. This palette is the Sun Glow. I'm going to be using this shade called Get To It, okay, as my darkest shade. Just gonna put it on my corner, outer corner, and just blend the excess inside. Don't want really a dramatic eye. We're just going for a classic 2 shade eyeshadow, because the drama is with the cat details. For my lighter shade, I'm just going to use the shimmer called Total Stunner. Oh, look at that, guys. The fix, my darling. I know I love you. So we're moving on to the cat eye now. I'm just gonna outline using my pencil so I know what I'm doing when I apply the liquid eyeliner. Makes it easier because you have an outline, you know? I was using my eyeliner pencil to outline so I can go on top with my liquid eyeliner. People who know me and what I usually do when I do makeup, I don't really like putting on my lashes like that. I do at times, but I'm more of like a mascara, so I'm not going to be putting on my lashes. So I'm going to be taking my liquid eyeliner and just going over. I'm looking at my reference picture. Okay, so this is the reference picture. So now I have to do the whiskers, the mouth part, and yeah, I'm done with the cat eye. I want to put the mascara at the end. So before we do all of that, we're gonna put on a foundation and all the other nice things. So we're gonna be using the Black Opal foundation again. Just gonna contour a bit. I don't want anything crazy. Not too much on the girl. I'm going to be setting my face using this Kryolan translucent powder. I know. So from the same palette that I used to do the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use Palm Reader I'm gonna use this shade just for my cheeks, Sinji. Nothing dramatic. Nothing dramatic. Alright, so moving on to the whiskers and such. Yo, wow. Okay, let me have my reference picture. Okay, after reinforcements, I decided, let me just outline and see if I can match. I think, mind you, the problem is the placement. Well, it's not as straight as I want it to be, so let's try. While they dry, let's move on. While I'm at it, let me just put Inisikiri. So this is the first look. Kitty's me now.